Okay, to simplify this, let's first combine them both under one radical. At the same time, let's factor completely all of the coefficients there. So what we have is 15 is 3 times 5. Then we have x to the third, y to the fifth. Those are hard to read. And 35 is 7 times 5, or 5 times 7. And then x to the third, y to the seventh. Now, combining all the terms that we can, we have 1, 3 factor. 5 times 5 is 5 squared. And then there's 1, 7 factor. In the x department, we've got 3 x's multiplied together here, and 3 more here. That makes 6 x's multiplied together. Here we have 5 y's, and here we have 7 more y's. So 5 plus 7 adds up to 12 y's altogether. So there we have it. That's everything's factored and combined as much as we can. Now remember, a square root means there's a 2 out here. And when there's no exponent, it's an exponent of 1. So now we divide the exponents to simplify the radical. Get as much out of the radical as we can. So 2 doesn't divide into 1. Let's put the square root over here for what doesn't get out. And then here's space for the things that escape. So 2 doesn't go into 1, so none of the 3's get out of there. But 2 divides into 2 once. So 1 5 gets out with no remainder, so no 5's remain. 2 doesn't divide into 1, so that 7 to the 1 remains. 2 does divide into 6 3 times, so 3 x's get out. And 2 with no remainder, so no x's remain. And 2 divides into 12 6 times, so 6 y's get out with no remainder, so no y's remain under the radical. So there we have it. Our radical simplifies to 5 x to the third power, y to the sixth power, times the square root of 21. And there's our radical simplified.